The development of sim racing equipment has gone through several stages, from gear-driven to belt-driven, and now of course to direct drive systems that you see today. Each advancement in technology has brought us that much closer to a truly immersive racing experience. In this video, we're going to be diving into the evolution of force feedback systems, from early gear-driven setups to today's direct drive systems. We're going to be exploring how advancements in transmission methods have dramatically enhanced realism in sim racing. In the past, racing simulators relied on small motors, providing force feedback through gear-driven systems. These setups were cost-effective, but had significant limitations because gear-driven systems typically use plastic gears to keep costs low while handling moderate torque. Now, the lack of precision in gear meshing caused a familiar sensation of grinding and noise, and over time, the plastic gears wore out, leading to durability issues. Belt-driven systems aim to solve some of the problems associated with gear-driven setups, especially those grinding sensations. However, they also introduced their own challenges. The elasticity of belts made the force feedback feel vague and imprecise. Additionally, belts cause a delay in force transmission, resulting in latency. And like gear systems, they also added resistance, reducing overall precision. And despite being quieter, they still lack the smoothness that us sim racers really desired. Both gear and belt-driven simulators relied on small motors that struggled with prolonged high-load operation. Poor heat dissipation, often due to the plastic casings, caused these motors to overheat. This led to force feedback degradation or even system shutdowns triggered by thermal protection measures. Then came the revolutionary direct drive systems, and as the name suggests, the direct drive eliminates the need for any reduction transmission system, delivering all the force directly from motor shaft. Unlike previous systems, direct drive motors are significantly larger and more powerful, which eliminates the need for gears or belts to amplify the torque. This upgrade does come with a higher cost, but the benefits far outweigh the expense. Direct drive systems solve nearly every issue found in gear and belt-driven setups. They provide realistic force feedback, faster response time, and smoother and quieter operations, and of course, unmatched durability and quality. With no reduction mechanism to introduce resistance or latency, direct drive systems deliver an unparalleled sim racing experience. This is why they've quickly become the mainstream choice for today's market. The evolution of sim racing gear, from gear-driven systems to belt-driven setups and now direct drive. It shows how far the industry has honestly come. Each step has brought us closer to that one ultimate goal, creating the most realistic and immersive racing experience possible. And if you're a sim racer, direct drive might just be that upgrade that you need to take your racing to the next level. So I gotta ask, what's your sim racing setup? Are you already on a direct drive system, or are you thinking about making the switch? Let me know in the comments, and of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more MOZA sim racing content. See you next time. Peace.